Ever wondered how to set up dual monitors but didn't know where to start? Fear not, the process is more straightforward than you might think. The first step is to check your graphics card compatibility. Generally, most modern graphics cards support dual monitor setups. Next, you need to familiarize yourself with the type of connections your graphics card and monitors support. Common types include HDMI, DisplayPort, and DVI. Make sure you have the necessary cables or adapters to connect both monitors to your graphics card. Once you're ready, connect both monitors to the appropriate ports on your graphics card. Ensure they are securely connected. We wouldn't want any unexpected disconnections. Now, it's time to let your computer detect the connected monitors. Simply right-click on your desktop, select Display Settings or Screen Resolution, and click on the Detect button. Then comes the fun part, configuring your displays. If you want to use both monitors as an extended desktop, choose the Extend option. This allows you to drag windows and applications between the two screens. Alternatively, if you want both monitors to display the same content, select the Duplicate option. Arranging the monitors is an important step too. On the Screen Settings page, you can drag and drop the monitor icons to match their physical arrangement on your desk. This ensures that moving the cursor between the monitors feels natural. Don't forget to adjust the resolution and orientation of each monitor as per your needs. You can set different resolutions and orientations for each monitor, offering a great deal of flexibility. Once you've configured the settings to your liking, it's time to apply them. Simply click the Apply button. Depending on your graphics card software, you might have additional options for fine-tuning your dual monitor setup. This could include adjusting color settings, display modes, and more. Finally, test the setup by moving windows and applications between the monitors. If needed, go back to the display settings to make further adjustments. Remember, the specific steps might vary slightly depending on your operating system and the graphics card software you're using. If you encounter any issues, referring to your graphics card and operating system documentation can be helpful. For more detailed instructions, you can search for tutorials and guides online, or consult your graphics card manufacturer's website. Setting up dual monitors might seem daunting, but once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever managed with just one. Enjoy your new expansive digital workspace.